Hello everyone. This time I'm going to disassemble the OTF knives and turn the blade into a handle and check it can be work well when we turn the blade. Okay, let's disable the knife first. Let's disable the camera one. Let's check it first. A drop point blade. Yeah, it works well. This knife's price is 25, including the shipping cost. I'm a seller, by the way, but you can have a check about the price on AliExpress or DSGate. If you think it's very reasonable about my price. So if you have looked what's this video, there will be a discount for you. But you should tell me first. I'm sure about that. There will be a discount. Okay. 6 screws. Open the handle. A spring button. Okay. Make the spring down. Carefully. Okay. Okay. Here is the drop on the blade and put it out. Okay. Tack. And I'm going to make this blade into a handle. Okay. Push here so the blade can enter a handle. And put a spring on a handle. It's very easy, I think. You can do it at your home. Very easy. Okay. Oh, sorry. You don't need to put the screws very well into a handle. Just check your blade is worked well. And then you put the screws into the knife strong. Okay, let's check it. Here. Very strong. What do you think? And then we will check the blade. Here is your paper. And there we check the blade. it looks nice. Not very sharp, because you can see something is not very clean. You can see that. How do you think about it? I think it's very reasonable. About 25. Very strong. Okay, there are 5 kinds of handle. Camo 1, Camo 2, and 2 black. This one was covered rubber and green color. And the 4 kinds of blade. Drop point and tento point. And 2 blades look same, but not. Two sides, both sides were sharp, but this one, only this side is sharp. So, whatever you like, with whatever you like the blade and or handles. If you want these handles and this blade, then I will put this blade into this handle. And if you want the tento blade into a camel, then I will put the tento blade into a camel. I'm sure about that. It will be worked well when we receive the package. And okay, thank you for watching. Please feel free for calling me. I will do my best about the quality, about the shipping, about anything. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.